Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Canadian Chums This and That. Today we're going to look at a LOL surprise doll. I don't really know much about these, so I have my wife and my little guy that seems to know about this stuff, as it is their generation. So you guys hit it up from here.
It's an LOL animal. It's active live surprise, so they interact together. You can get 3 different kinds, I guess.
You could get
Bunny Hun, Hoops Dog, or Fuzzy Fan.
So it could be any one of those 3 in there, guys?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Does it come with other stuff? Or?
You talk to it, you pet it, you feed it, you rock it to sleep. You can like turn it upside down and stuff, and it will do stuff, I guess.
And they can.
It's really interactive.
They can talk to each other.
Yeah.
There's 60 plus sounds, I guess.
Responds to motion, sound, and touch, it says too, eh?
Yep.
Alright, let's break into this thing, guys, and see everything that's in it.
I'm going to break it open right here. Hold on.
Might have to get scissors.
Oh, there's tape.
Yeah.
Oh, I can rip it with my finger.
Okay.
We should have open the LOL toy challenge. Should we get scissors?
He's got the tape off. He's got the bottom off.
There we go.
Alright,
I think we might be okay. Let's see if there's some surprise bags in there, it looks like. Some stuff that must go with them. I don't know a lot about them. My little guy knows more.
Strong. Yeah, let's keep tearing it.
There, got that off.
Got that off.
Okay, yeah, we should be able to slide it out now.
Yeah.
So, we got, what's that called? What was his name? Bunny. We got Bunny Hun. We got Bunny Hun.
Bunny Hun.
Yep.
Move it up there, Jack. Move it up this way now.
Bring it more this way, so we're in the camera, so everybody can see. Pop it open.
Oh, she fell.
That's okay. Set her down. And
This is
this is
Bunny Hun.
Yep, this is Bunny Hun. And here, there's some surprise bag things that you can open up.
Yeah, let's open these.
Let's get this mess out of the way.
You like hard stuff, really hard stuff. So I've got a balancer.
There's some instructions with it, so I'll know what to do.
A hard bottle that you can put in her mouth. You can push this button with this hard bottle.
Oh, just like the babies and the
only the
animals,
big ones and the animals. Let's open the next one. Oh, came with a French fry.
So there's a
French fry holder.
There's an on-off switch on her.
Yeah, which is on her head.
Oh, okay. Same color, so it's hard to see. Oh. Nope. She doesn't seem to want to stand up.
You can move her legs to stand her up. She can suck her bottle.
So it's something like a Furby.
She's motion censored, it says.
Yeah, you can see
right here.
You can see the sensor.
It says your pet interacts to sound. Speak into the microphone on the stomach to get response from your pet. Oh, it's a microphone. Hello.
Oh, and we got another thing, which is a microphone.
Oh, yeah.
Show the camera.
So we got a French fry and a microphone and a bottle. There's only 3 packs.
Discover the special sound your pet makes, and it shows this thing right here. You stick it in her mouth, I guess, and it makes a special sound.
Now I'm gonna put this French fry in her.
Now you can turn her upside down and shake her. Do you want to do it? No, up and down shake her. That's what it says.
Oh, that'd make me
She
dizzy.
likes to sing, I guess. It says, flip it on its side. Let's lay it on its side. See what it does on it. Just to flip it on its side. That's not really doing much when I flip it on its side. I don't know what it's supposed to do.
Let's try its bottle. Then
What else does it say? Okay, it says that you can pet her head, like with your finger. You pet her. Sorry, you pet her front of her head. Aim it up at the camera so they can see what she's doing.
she blushes on the cheeks.
We already fed her. So I'm just wondering if you want to put her to sleep, if you can rock her to sleep. No, that doesn't really work, does it?
Must have to go faster, but shaking it.
I guess that happens. That's what happens.
Nope, she's just blinking. But I guess the more you interact with her, the more she does stuff, I guess. That's what I understand.
Her tail like also wags.
So yeah, anyways, let's take a look at everything it came with,
One
bud.
time. We got
You can
French
make your pet.
fries, a microphone, and a drink bottle. It says pop.
And it says here how to care for your pet. And it says play with your pet, turn it upside down, shake it, or shake it upside down. But be careful or you will make your pet dizzy.
You don't want that.
No. Don't want to make her dizzy. So yeah, guys, I guess these are the interactive LOL pets. And the more you talk to them and stuff, I guess the more you'll get different stuff from them.
Anyways, guys, thanks for watching Canadian Chums, this and that. And like I say in a lot of my videos, you never know what we'll be looking at next. Don't forget to subscribe and like.